When using long division to divide by two-digit numbers, it works exactly the same way as dividing by a single-digit number. We still work our way through our 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. If you haven't watched our previous video on single-digit long division, please go back and watch it now before watching the rest of this video. In this first example, we're going to see what 689 divided by 25 is. So we start with our division step and we say, can 25 divide into 6? And the answer is no, so we put a dot above the 6. Can 25 divide into 68? The answer is yes, it goes in twice. 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. 68 subtract 50 is 18, and we bring down the 9. And that's our first pass through our steps. We go back to the divide step and we see how many times 25 can divide into 189. Now, I'm not great with my 25 times table, so this is what I do to try and find out big numbers. I'll take my 25 and I'll keep adding it until I get to a number either just before or on the number I'm looking for. In this case, I can get to 175. So using this method, I see that 25 goes into 189 7 times. 7 times 25, as I know, is 175. 189 subtract 175 is 14. There's nothing left to bring down, so that's our remainder, and our answer is 27, remainder 14. Here's another example. 6,499 divided by 32. So we start, as always, with our division step. Can 32 divide into 6? The answer is no, so I put a dot above it. Can 32 divide into 64? And yes, it can. It goes in twice. 2 multiplied by 32 is 64. 64 subtract 64 is 0. And we bring down the 9. We've gone through our steps, we start again at divide. Can 32 divide into 9? And the answer is no, it goes in 0 times. And because we're in the middle of a number, I put a 0 here above the 9. I bring down the second 9, and I say, can 32 divide into 99? And the answer is yes, it goes in 3 times. 3 times 32 is 96. 99 subtract 96 is 3, and that's our remainder. So our answer is 203, remainder 3. Long division of two numbers always works the same way. You just work through your steps, step by step, and you'll get your answer. It doesn't matter if you have an 8-digit number divided by a 6-digit number. You'll always work divide, multiply, subtract, bring down until you get a remainder or 0 below the line. Good luck.